Hi there, this is Holly of The Morning Pour. Thank you for joining us all here today, and thank you for joining me here for my segment of the May the 4th Be With You collaboration. I want to take just a brief moment to thank Donna of It's Art by Donna M. She is the host of this collaboration, and she has done an amazing amount of things to put this together. She's done so much, it's tremendous, including bringing prizes for 3 winners. If you like what you're hearing, like what you're seeing, then consider subscribing and clicking the bell. Hey, amazing viewers, thanks for coming to this collaboration. Thanks for watching this video. This is going to be an amazing galaxy pour brought to you for your viewing pleasure, and it's titled Voyage. And this is a Sarah Mack inspired galaxy pour based on her amazing famous ring pours that she does. These 3 colors over here are my metallic colors, and these 3 colors are my non-metallic colors. Additionally, these whites are not metallic either. The reason I have 2 cups is that one is the same consistency as the rest of my paints and will be used within the layering of the cup. The other is just for use as a flow extender. So the pink that I'm using was created by mixing into this leftover pink color that I had previously created for some of my spring pours that I had done. And I had a little of that left over, and then I spruced it up by adding some quinacridone magenta by Liquitex Basics. I also added a little bit of this cochineal red by Arteza. And in addition to that, I added in just a touch of this orange by Modern Masters, which is extremely shimmery. So because this is created out of part metallics and part non-metallics, it is a metallic, however, it is not as shimmery as some of my other metallics are, but it still does have that shimmer nonetheless. My next metallic color is 24K Gold by Deco Art Metallics. Yes. And this is mixed 1 part Floetrol to 1 part paint. Yes, 1 part Floetrol to 1 part paint. This is by Folk Art. I love this blue. It is so pretty. It is a metallic, and it is called Blue Pearl. It's very sparkly. I really like this. And because this is in the 2-ounce bottle, I did mix this with 1 part Floetrol to 1 part paint. All of my paints do have a little bit of a dash of Golden's pouring medium in them. Okay, so my purple is by Amsterdam. I honestly forget the name of it. This orangey color is a Folk Art Fire Coral color. I'm showing you the blue Folk Art container just to show you Folk Art. I don't know where the container went that had the fire coral. Maybe it was empty, maybe I threw it away, I'm not sure. And to it, I did add a little touch of that cochineal red by Arteza, just to kick that fieriness of it a little bit higher for this particular pour and the outcome that I was envisioning. My blue, which I already kind of showed you in the beginning of this set of 3, is Prussian Blue by Liquitex Basics. My whites are Artist Loft Flow White mixed with Satin Enamels by Bear. It's Bear Satin Enamels. I'll show you that as well. So all of my paints are mixed 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, with the exception of the Deco Art 24K and with the exception of the Folk Art paints. Those are mixed 1 part Floetrol to 1 part paint. I've also added a dash of the Golden's Gloss pouring medium to add to the stability of the final result. Starting to layer, I'm keeping my layers fairly thin for this particular pour and the results I'm going for. So I have white, then gold, then Prussian blue that have gone into this cup. Now I'm putting in some of this purple color. by Amsterdam. Going back in with the gold. Alright, and then some of our white. Oh, and that beautiful fire coral. I love that color. And some of my pink concoction. And anyway, so I've sped up the layering of the cup. If you ever want to change the speed of any video on YouTube, you can go to that little gear icon where you can change the resolution. And up above the part where you change the resolution, it says playback speed. You can click on that and you can actually speed up or slow down any video for whatever your needs are. So yeah, if I have something here going quickly and you would like to see it slower, to see what the layering order was, for example, you can always slow that down. Or if there's a part of a video that seems like it's dragging, but you want to make sure you don't miss everything or anything, you can speed that up. Okay, so here I'm pouring out the cup, obviously. And if you like this so far, please remember to click that thumbs up button. And definitely if you're here for the possibility of winning some of the prizes that are available with the collaboration, then please make sure that you comment under each of the artists of the collaboration and that you've subscribed to them all. And there are some wonderful, wonderful prizes that Donna M has gathered together for some of the viewers. So to make sure that you are eligible, please make sure that you follow all of the guidelines. We had our own guidelines as artists that we had to follow. And in order to be eligible to win your prize, make sure you follow the guidelines that have been set forth in this most magnificent collaboration. And please definitely check out each of the artists. Everyone has worked really hard on their paintings. Of course, it's joyous to work on our paintings, but we also still put in a lot of effort and we pour our hearts into them, as well as pouring the paints out of our cups. So please check out all of the artists who have contributed to this amazing collaboration to see how they brought forth the concept of a galaxy within a painting. I'm sure it will be very fascinating to see what everyone presents. So be sure to check them out and to show them your support. I'm just moving this very slowly and now taking a look and deciding which direction do I want to tilt first, and I've decided to go off that back corner to the right. You saw my hand make that motion and I was showing that's the way I'm going to tilt off first. Okay, there are reasons behind which way we tilt first for many artists, and I can't really put all the tips in one video, so I will cover various tips as I think of them at various points in my different videos. So if you find any value or any enjoyment in watching my paintings, then consider subscribing and clicking the bell. Yes, so back to the artists. There are so many wonderful artists who are participating in this collaboration for your viewing pleasure, and perhaps you may learn some tips and tricks along the way. So please be sure that you give your support to each one and check out what they have to offer, because you might discover new artists that you hadn't known about before. So all of the links to all of the channels and the times that each artist's video are going to premiere are in the description area below this video. So I've put all of that there for your convenience to make it really easy to be able to navigate from one to the next. I've really sped this up to show you the part with the stars because, again, I just didn't think that you needed to be bored with seeing it slower than this. I literally just dipped the pointy edge of the skewer into the paint and dipped it on, and I wiped it off in between. So here we are close up. Look at all of these pebblings, these cells, the lacing. There are so many textures and details in this painting, and I'm really happy with how all of those elements came out. Alright, so here's the fun flight simulation through the galaxy. Oh, Luke, I wish you were not my brother. Oh, Princess Leia, I understand. There was that one perfect moment in time when I thought you would be mine. That was before we found out that we share the same parents and the most evil man in the universe as a father, Darth Vader. Oh, what are we to do? Oh, Luke, what are we to do? What can we do, Princess? The facts are the facts. Damn that George Lucas. I'm pretty sure he had something to do with this. Damn him. Just damn him. I am trying to sound like an orchestra, but I'm sure it isn't really working out. But I tried. Oh yes, I did. Okay, pretty soon I'm going to start sounding like I'm on a Broadway musical. Alright, well hopefully you thought that that was as funny as I did. Meanwhile, back to the paintings. This is a sneak peek of a painting I did called Milky Way, so if you want to see the full thing, stick around and be sure that you have subscribed and click the bell so that you do not miss the notification. Looking forward to seeing you around my channel, and definitely leave a comment below saying whatever you would like to share. Thanks for being here, and be sure to check out the other artists in the collaboration. And let's all give a special thanks to Donna of the channel It's Art by Donna M for putting this whole thing together. She has done an astounding job. Thank you, Donna, and thank you to all of the artists who have joined together to participate in this collaboration. And thank you for being here viewing, because without you, we wouldn't really have anybody to make videos for. So thank you for being here and for appreciating our art and our content. And may the 4th be with you.